Hello everyone, my name is Tia Kanya. I am studying 5th standard in Auxilium Nursery and Primary School. Now I am going to share about the greatest Indian freedom fighter, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great Indian freedom fighter. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Odisha. His father name was Janakinath Bose. His mother name was Prabhavati Devi. He was a brilliant student. He did the graduation in 1919. Then he went to England. He also passed the Indian Civil Service exam, but he returned to India because to serve his motherland. He was elected as a president of Indian National Congress. He formed an Indian National Army in 1942. He went to Germany and Japan to seek help from his army. He gave a very famous slogan, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." And Jai Hind. Unfortunately, he was died in a plane crash 18th August 1945. He got India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 1992. After his death, Netaji was a greatest hero. He sacrificed his life for Mother India. Thank you for this great opportunity. Jai Hind.